Hello, how you doing? Just gonna make something really simple today, some garlic fried rice. Just turn some plain old rice into something that's really, really tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in there I've got 4 cups of rice. That's cold rice, cooked basmati rice. I always think that cold rice fries better than warm or hot. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of green onions, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and here we've got some sesame seed oil. We're not going to start with that, we're going to add a little bit at the end. The other thing we need is salt and pepper, really simple and delicious. So you need a wok or a skillet or something like that. I've got 2 tablespoons there of corn oil. In goes the 1 cup of onion. I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. Now I've just put the heat on. Fairly high heat, 3 minutes. Okay, next up, I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. I'm going to go for 2 minutes. Really tasty and really easy, this one. Okay, now for the rice, the cooked rice. Cold rice, like I say, always good. This was actually done yesterday. And we're going to fry this around now for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. Now it's really important that you go for 5-6 minutes here. It's really important to fry the rice. Really, really important. If you get a little bit of browning or even blackening on the rice, that's fantastic. Because we're now done. Off goes the heat. In goes that cup of green onions. A little bit of drizzle or 2 of that nice nutty sesame oil. And that's done. Beautiful, simple, tasty garlic rice. There you go, that's easy, wasn't it? And really, really tasty. Nice and simple. I just topped it off with a few sesame seeds. Yeah, that's it. Lovely stuff.